Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to save any Facebook video from your video feed. Just go to Facebook app, then click on video feed icon here, and now the video you want to save. For me, I want to save this video for later watch. So what you have to do is just click on this three dot here, then click on save video. The problem is, how can we find this video again? Click on back. As you can see, there is a profile icon here. Click on this icon and click on save videos. You can see the woodworking video is here, and